Hi, I'm Mohammad Reza, and in this series, we're gonna to know some about DevOps. 2 years ago, when I started knowing more about JavaScript and Node.js, there were many courses, there were many good courses, and there were many good courses for free, but not much about when your app is completed and you want to use it for production. In this series, we will install Ubuntu server on server. We will install Node, MongoDB, Nginx, and configure it together. We will use Git to copy our code on server. We'll use something different from Node or NodeMoon to run our Node app on production use. And we will have some samples about .env file, the environment file. We will also configure firewall for more security. We will backup and restore our MongoDB, and we have some tips for more secure Node app. Always feel free to direct message me on Twitter and I will be happy to see your message. See you more along this series and thanks for watching this video.